What's going on, guys? It's Connor here with TC Bros, and today I'm going to show you how to install our sissy bar and king and queen seat on this Harley Sportster. Every bike's different and you guys know that, so what we're going to do is show you a basic install on our bike here, but your bike at home might look a little bit different. And if at any point you had any questions, you can refer back to the instruction sheet that's included with the purchase. This will go into much more detail and provide more context than what I will in this video. First things first, we need to get our sissy bar installed. All this is just 4 bolts. It goes pretty quickly. The front 2 needed nuts on the back side of them. The other ones already had nuts built into the mounting hardware on the stock Harley. The first 1 or 2 bolts are a little bit of a pain, but once you get them started, it goes really quickly. We're going to tighten those down and move on to the other side and do just the exact same thing. Once all 4 of those are tight, then we can go ahead and grab our king and queen seat. The seat has a slot in the bottom of it, as you can see right here, for the tab that is on the Harley. We're going to slide that in, push the seat down, and go ahead and attach our rear mounting bolt. This is a 5/32 Allen. We're going to tighten that down, and then we can move on to the top one. The top one attaches with the 7/32 Allen that we used earlier for all of the other bolts. As soon as we have that one tightened down, you're all done. And in just a matter of minutes, we've installed this king and queen seat on our Harley Sportster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.